Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and as usual welcome back to my home. In today's video, as per the title of the video, I'm going to show you how to clean your duvet without breaking a sweat, breaking your back, and even without spending any money. So I discovered this method. It's been like 3 years now. And I used to take my duvet to the laundromat, and by then I used to be charged 450 Kenya shillings. And when I get back my duvet, it's not clean. And there's this fabric softener that they used to put in that duvet, and you could spend like a whole week without even covering your head with that duvet because of the strong scent. So I lamented, and my sister told me there was an easy way of cleaning your duvet, and it's by using a laundry basket like the one that I have here. So thank God I had one in my home. So she told me that you just put your duvet in there, and then you pour water on it, and then you just step on it and rinse it. And one thing, guys, I know you're going to ask about the amount of water that you're going to use. Like in my duvet, in my case, I usually use like 3.5 buckets of that basin that I have there. So it doesn't, like, I don't have to waste a lot of money. I mean, a lot of water washing this duvet, and it is really, really easy. So you have to find a basket that has holes like these ones that are there down and on the side. So what you do is just put your duvet there, ensure that it gets to be a bit wet, and then just step on it. And I find this really therapeutic because at the same time I'm exercising, and it doesn't take me more than 30 minutes to do this. So I just start by wetting my duvet. I wet my duvet, and then I will get in there and I'll start stepping on my duvet. And be careful, guys, be careful not to fall, because you might fall badly. So ensure that you have positioned the duvet well in such a position that you cannot fall. Step on it. You will see the water will come from down there and on the side. So continue stepping until you see the water coming from your duvet is clear. So I don't know if you can see, like on my side, you can see there's a bit of, it was really dirty, guys. It was really dirty. And if you notice well, you will see dirt at the corner of the bathroom. That's how dirty and effective this method really is. So guys, after you've like stepped on your duvet for some time, you can turn it to different sides, so that also you can just continue to step on your duvet. This method is really effective if you have a back problem like I do. It is really helpful, and it's also a way of exercising your legs. So at the same time you're cleaning, and at the same time you're kind of exercising. So it is really effective because it removes the dirt. I don't know if you guys can see, but the duvet is really it's really like removing a lot of dirt, and it's quite effective. You don't have to bend a lot, you don't have to hurt your back. And for me, even if I get a laundry machine, I think this is something that I will not be stopping to do anytime soon, unless maybe I'll be sick or anything. But this is the method I'd prefer to clean my duvet with. It is it's really fun and enjoyable, time saving, saves you money, and you're good to go. So guys, let me take this chance, of course, to welcome every new subscriber. Welcome to my channel. Also, if you haven't subscribed and you like my content, if you like anything that has to do with homemaking, if you love cleaning videos, if you like organization, basically if you like motherhood, everything that has to do with home, then you guys, you're on the right channel. So if you haven't subscribed, because 83% of you guys are watching and you haven't subscribed, so to support your girl over here on our journey to 400, kindly, yeah, subscribe, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and don't forget to share my content as many times as possible. I hope you are still enjoying. So guys, now it's time to rinse my duvet after stepping on it, and now I saw that the water is clear. Now I can rinse my duvet, and then I will just set it aside for it to drain the water. I don't have to carry, and the beauty of this method is that you just leave your duvet there. I usually let it sit on my toilet so it can drain also water from down and from the side. So, and then I just leave it there for a few hours, and when I come back, it's super light to carry. I can lightly carry it out and hang it. So that is the beauty of this method. Also, if you want to add a bit of fabric softener, you can add at this point. But remember, because it's something that you're covering yourself with, you can go lightly with this fabric softener like I do, because we have allergy in my home. So just put a bit for the scent. Don't overdo it also, because it's not really good for your health. So yeah, now I'm just going to rinse the duvet and let it dry there in the bathroom.